Due to the individualized selections for your kit, some of the accessories and equipment discussed in this video may not be applicable to you. Your kit is divided into two sections, Essentials and Accessories. We'll review the accessories later, so for now, take a look at the Essentials section. To help make your programming appointment efficient, assemble your sound processor beforehand. You'll start by locating your sound processor components, the sound processor, the coil, and the rechargeable battery module. In order to power on your sound processor, you'll need to have a battery module attached. Align the battery module to the sound processor socket to fit the parts together. Twist the battery module. Once you attach the battery, notice the lights that flash on the top of the sound processor. Your sound processor is now powered on. With the battery attached, you can press this button to power the processor off and on again.